Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many recordings available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll be showing you the operations that were done using the back spindle for this part. If we were to open up the first operation that we've done over here, take a look at the toolpath, you can see that we did this area over here. Whereas in our next operation, we did a face mill operation to clear off the top surfaces of these areas over there. And then for the next area, we've done the 3D eye machining to work in these areas on the part as well. Now, in our next operation, we've done a profile operation to clear these areas, to do a finish cut on these studs around the part itself. And then we've went to a milling operation. And as you can see, this operation is working on this face over here. If we were to go now and open up our next operation, you can see that the toolpath over here is working around these studs over here, and this next operation is working inside this hole over here, milling out the material over there, and using the proper end mill, using the option of 3D surfacing eye machining over here. And you can see inside our technology, we have our rest cuts, our rest rough going up on the part itself, allowing and a quick cut using the 3D eye machining. Next, we've done another milling operation, and this milling operation, we've worked around the studs over here, and if we were to open up the operation itself, you can see we have our tool, our regular end mill, and our geometry is, again, that circle over there working around that area itself. Our next operation, we have our profile operation working inside this area over here. We have another profile operation. Then, if we take a look at the geometry over here, we're working inside this area over here. Our next operation, if we take a look, another profile operation working inside this geometry over here. And then in our next profile operation, you can see we'll be going inside over here, showing inside our geometry as working inside the hole over there. Our next operation will actually be a turning operation, which will be working inside the surface over here, finishing off this area over there. If we take a look at it at this particular view, you can see that's working inside over there. In our next operation, we've done the 5-axis milling operation around over here. If we were to open that up, you can see that we're doing our 5-axis using the projection. And if we go into our geometry, you can see the surface that was picked over here on this side over here, together with the projected curve working over there. And that was the actual 5-axis operation. Now, next we've added another MCO operation. And in this particular case, if we take a look, we have our table, which is our back spindle in this particular case, if we look at the device, and we'll be moving it in the Z direction to 45 millimeters. For more recordings on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab of SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.